Hi, this is Brenda Salzano again, and I wanted to show you the finished Glamping Camper sewing project that I did as a zipper pouch. I was going to show you the whole process, but I ran into some major interruptions that day, and well, it's actually today, and some problems along the way. So I'm just going to show you the finished product right now, and then I'll do another video with step-by-step later on. Anyway, this is how it looks. It has a little handle. Here's the zipper on the top. And I put a lining to match my little pink and white Glamping camper. Of course, it has this side. It has the little louver, extra windows, the little pleats on those. You could stitch before you put pieces together. You could stitch back and forth on the vent and make it look more real too. But it has the little saying on it. And the kit will be up on my shop for sale later today. The things that you want to take into consideration when you're adding your own lining is on the lining you do not need to add the little tires, and so that makes it flatter on the inside. When you do your layering on each side of the zipper, you want to make sure that when you do that, you do the first layer will be up with the top up at the top. And then the next layer will be up on your zipper with the zipper on top. And then you'll place the next layer, which will be your liner. Is that right? Yes, the liner. You have your outer, the zipper, and then the liner. And then you want to do that again on the other side of the zipper. Just make sure, and that's one of the things I did wrong again, and I don't know why I get this stuck in my brain, but you want to have it so that when you sew them together, you'll notice that the two outer pieces should be face to face when you're hanging it by yourself, and in the center will be the zipper, and then you look at the liner and it should be face to face. Now it's pretty important on this outer part because we have a front and we have a back. So I had gotten that wrong again, and then when you go to sew them up, and then you sew the whole thing up on the sides, and you just leave the bottom of the liner opening so that you can pull that whole thing inside out, and then you stuff you'll stuff the liner back inside there once you top stitch that bottom that you left open. So that was one concern. And also be sure that when you fold it inside out, that you pull these little wheels out and then iron them, because they do show on the outside. Of course, you don't have them on the liner because we left that off. I found that there was a little problem with your zipper thing. You can't just sew around the whole outside of the liner and the outer at the same time. I stop, I just do the liner part and leave the bottom open, and then I go on the outer part and do that part. So it was just a matter of getting those things right. It actually goes really fast when you get it right. I just get that confused, being dyslexic as I am. And then I had to do a lot of ripping out, but it was a good test of patience today. And I did get 2 projects done. But hopefully you won't have as many problems, and I'll try to get another video up soon. I think I still have one up on my blog. So check out my blog with all the how-tos to the little tab at the top of my blog. That has all my different cut and sews and how to do them, how to assemble them and stuff. If you have any questions, shoot me an email there on Spoonflower, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Thanks again for watching, and you have a great day. Make it a great day, and don't worry when you have days like this when everything goes wrong. It'll work out. Just keep plugging away.